Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to give access to business hostinger email and manage add another hostinger user account. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your hostinger account. Now, to give access to your business hostinger email, simply click on your profile icon on this corner and select account information. My bad. Click on account sharing. Now make sure to click first on grant access and not request access. As you see, choose this option if you have a person creating or managing your web hosting. When the access to your account is granted, a confirmation email is sent to the email address provided below. Click on grant access button. Here, who do you give access to? Fill in the invited person email address. I will give, or I will, yes, I will give access to myself. This is an email, this is my email address. Here under permission roles, you can select between admin or just a collaborator. An admin can manage services and make purchases using added payment method. And collaborator can only manage services. They can't make purchases. I will give only a collaborator access. And here below managed services, here selects the service that you want to allow the other person to manage. Let's check mine. As you see, I can give access to select all, or to simply my business web hosting account, or here the email business starter email. Here, if I go to websites, I will open this. I will try to open this in a new tab to show you what I have. As you see, if I go to websites, this is, I have a business web hosting plan, and also under emails, I have this starter, this starter email account, which is free. So here, if you want to give access to your hostinger email account, make sure to select email and not the web hosting. So I will select email, and now let's click on grant access button. Since this is an important action to your account, here they ask me for a code sent to my email in order to verify that I am the one who made or making this action. And this is the verification code. Let's fill it here and hit confirm. Access email has been sent. And this is the invitation email message that you will receive as the invited person. Invitation to collaborate. This hostinger user has invited you to collaborate by sharing access to their account. Accept the invitation by clicking the button below. Note, this link is only valid for 48 hours. Click on accept invitation. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Here, if your invited person already have an Hostinger account using with this invited address, he can log in to his Hostinger account using it. If he don't have an account with Hostinger, he can create one by clicking on this sign up button. Just to let you know, now I am logged to Hostinger using my invited email address, not the original account. So if I click on emails, I will see the shared Hostinger business email that I've granted access to. And if I click on mailboxes, I will see that I am in the impersonate mode and I am managing this email address account emails. And these are the mailboxes. Of course, I can do all the actions as if I am the owner or the admin of this shared Hostinger email account. I can create forwarders, create alias, change password, login, yes, change the password, see the usage, also see the webmail, check the email aliases available for each account, like if I am the owner of this account. And this is how to give access to business Hostinger email. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.